Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr bin As radiyallahu anhu states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was intimated that I said, I will perform the prayer throughout the night and observe fast at day throughout my life. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, have you really said that? I submitted, yes, I have passed these remarks, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, you will not be able to do so. Observe fast and omit it. Sleeps as well as performing prayer at night, and observe 3 fasts monthly, as one good deed earns tenfold reward, and it is equivalent to lifelong fasting. Hazrat Abdullah bin Amr radiyallahu anhu says that he submitted, I got strength to do more than it, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, then observe fast for 1 day and shun it for 2 days. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu submitted, I have power to do more than it, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, fast 1 day and omit it the other day, and it is David's fasting, and these are the best fasts. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu submitted, I possess power to do more. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no fasting is better than it. Hazrat Abdullah radiyallahu anhu said, would that I had followed the saying of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, keep 3 fasts in a month. It would have been dearer to me than my household and property. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2721.